I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that.
Hey y'all, my name is Steph. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are returning bestie, hey girl. So we're gonna get right into this video. The unit that we'll be working with today is from Olymei Wigs. They sent me a 36-inch Swiss lace custom box braid unit. And one thing I can say about them, y'all, they are fast with shipping and they are super affordable for the summertime. If you're looking for a grab and go type of box braid wig, this is definitely the company to go for. All info on how to purchase this unit will be in the description box below. So please check them out. And plus, trust me, y'all, it was definitely worth it. And I want to thank Olymei Wigs for sponsoring this video. Your wig. In your package, you will receive a 36-inch Swiss lace unit just like this, as well as 2 wig caps, which I fuck with, of course. Yes, okay. And I saw on other channels that they had like little hair jewelry or whatever, but I didn't get no jewelry, but I wasn't tripping. So yes, you see me messing with the wig now. It is completely done. It comes with the edges already out, which I like. But yes, the hair is synthetic hair, so you cannot curl the baby hairs to do like the extra baby hairs or whatever that you like. But one thing that I did not like about the wig, and I could say, was this extra lace that you see right there. As you can see, I'm cutting that out, which I will show you how to do if you desire. If you like it, that's you. But personally, for me, I wanted to cut that out because it gives more of a lace effect. So I had took my tweezers, and it's like a invisible lace, like not visible, invisible thread that's at the top of the wig, and you're just going to slowly pluck that on out, which you will see me do right here. And I will show you how to pluck that out. And also I remove the clips in the back as well.
Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time with you now. She says you're my everything. I love you through everything. I done did everything too. She forgave me for everything. This a forever thing. Hate that I treat it like it's a whatever thing. Trust me, girl, this shit is everything just like
This is just the finished result of me finishing cutting all that lace out, as well as the clips, and now it's giving lace. It's giving natural. It's giving exactly what I needed it to give. And now we are ready to install this wig. Per usual, you guys know that we start with a basic foundation, braided back. We put the new cap on, and per usual, I am going in with my new glue, the Best Hold lace glue, across that cap. And all information on how to purchase my glue will be in the description box below. So now I'm going to go in with some LA Girl concealer And while the front is drying, I'm going to go in the back of that cap and I'm going to put it in the back of the cap. So the box braid look can be full out through. You don't want to have a light cap in the back and then a tinted cap in the front. So we're going to put it in the back, and then I'm going to sew the cap in the back to a braid I always put in my foundation across the nape of the hair, so it can have that full effect, because I did keep the last clip in the back just so it can snap under the wig, and you will see later why I kept that thing in the back.
Hold on, fuck that. Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart.
Now we're going to add the glue across the hairline. We'll be using the Best Hold Lace Glue. How to purchase this glue as well will be in the description box below. We're going to put it across her hairline, and after each layer dries completely clear, we're going to put another layer on, and we're going to do that 3 times. And once completely dry, we're going to put our hair dryer on low heat and go across that hairline and put our elastic band on and let dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I did say I kept the comb in the back of the wig because it snaps perfectly back, and the way these wigs are done, y'all, is so amazing. You don't even need to sew your wig in the back. You literally just snap the back, adjust it how you need to, and nothing else. Like, it gives that box braid effect in the back, and that's something I've never seen out of a box braid wig before, but Olymei Wigs definitely came through with that. Now we're going to cut the lace. I'm going in with the edge razor right across that lace, trying to make sure I don't cut those cute little baby hairs right there that comes on the wig. And if you follow these steps correctly, you should be able to have a smooth cut straight across that hairline right where you laid the glue at.
She wanna run me down.
Now we're going to go in for those baby hairs. I did cut them a little bit, and then I took a little of a got-to-be gel, and I just gave her some soft little swoops, just some normal ones that she would probably do. And I also styled it. My girl loved her some 2 buns at the top of her head. So yes, we did go in and gave her her buns or whatever. You can do different styles with this, up and down, all down, side buns, anything, whatever. This wig is very versatile. Again, all information on how to purchase this wig from Olymei Wigs will be in the description box below. And I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. And please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, become a bestie, all that good stuff, y'all. And follow me on all social networks. Stay tuned for the final look, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.